Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps access to media in Apple Music on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now go down and tap on Media and Apple Music. In here, put in the screen time passcode. On the next screen, tap on Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. If you select Don't Allow Changes, then that will disallow changes locks the settings below and prevents new apps from accessing Apple Music and using the media library. Now after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.